You are crazy if you buy the iPhone 15, because I'm about to drop 5 reasons why you certainly should not. Let's go. Number 1, iPhone 15s will be getting USB-C charging capabilities. This has been around for donkey's years and no one should really be banging on about this as a new feature. Number 2, the A17 Bionic Chip. I feel like every year Apple's just putting a larger number next to the letter A. I'm still using the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and next to the 14 Pro Max you really can't tell much of a difference. It's only when you get down to the numbers that things start to matter. But as a consumer, as a daily user of the device, you will not be able to tell the difference. So forget about that. We can't even see that bloody thing. It's inside the device. Number 3, the iPhone 15 Pros are coming with new titanium material that's used to make the device. Who the hell cares? The fact that the phone is heavier makes it feel more premium in your hand. So the fact that the 15 Pros are lighter just makes me feel like I've got a cheaper phone. Plus, everybody just buys a phone and slaps a cover on it, so no one's going to be able to tell. Number 4, the introduction of this side button that replaces the silent switch. And what the hell is going on? To be quite frank, you might as well have just removed the silent button altogether. My current phone does all those things using the side button, which you use to lock and unlock your phone anyway. That button is absolutely useless. Do not be fooled. Number 5, the colors on both the 15 and the 15 Pro are absolutely diabolical. All the colors on the 15 just look completely washed. It just doesn't give you that punch. It doesn't give you that confidence that the color is there. It's like half white, half pink, half blue, half red. What's going on? And all the colors on the 15 Pro just look great to me. So for these reasons, I would advise you to save yourself £1,000. Peace.